How to remove card from Prizepicks. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can remove card from the Prizepicks. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, go to the Prizepicks application or open up a browser and go to the prizepicks.com. You can either log in into the application or in their official website, that is prizepicks.com. Once you're logged in, now from your home page, tap on the deposit button in the top right corner. After that, on the deposit screen, look for a trash icon next to the card that you want to remove. Tap on the trash icon in order to delete it. And in case if you cannot find or see the trash icon, it means either not yet 60 days since first deposit with that card, or you have already used the removal option this month per year. Here, there is a limitation where you can only delete your card once per calendar month and maximum 5 per year. So you have to understand such limits and expectation. You can only remove a payment method once per calendar month up to total 5 times in 12 months. So if you have not used that limitations, then you can remove the card from the Prizepicks. And in case if you're having the problem to delete your card, if you have not used it within that month, or if you have already exceeded the 60 days, then you have to reach out to Prizepicks live support for the help. That's it. That's how you can delete card in Prizepicks, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.